Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss on observation methods in psychology. Observation is a foundational technique that psychologists use to study human behavior in various contexts. We will explore different types of observation methods, their characteristics, and their applications in psychological research. 1. Naturalistic observation. Definition. Naturalistic observation involves observing individuals in their natural environment without intervention or manipulation by the researcher. Characteristics. Researchers aim to capture spontaneous behaviors as they naturally occur. Example. Jane Goodall's study of chimpanzees in their natural habitat to understand their social behaviors and interactions. 2. Participant observation. Definition. Participant observation involves the researcher becoming actively involved in the group or setting being studied. Characteristics. Researchers immerse themselves in the environment to gain an insider's perspective. Example. Studying the dynamics of a religious cult by actively participating in their rituals and daily activities. 3. Structured observation. Definition. Structured observation is conducted in a controlled environment where specific behaviors are elicited and observed under standardized conditions. Characteristics. Researchers use predetermined criteria and coding schemes to record behaviors. Example. Ainsworth's strange situation procedure to assess attachment styles in infants by observing their reactions to separations and reunions. 4. Controlled observation. Definition. Controlled observation is similar to structured observation but takes place in a laboratory setting where variables can be manipulated. Characteristics. Researchers have control over environmental factors to study specific behaviors under controlled conditions. Example. Bandura's Bobo doll experiment, where children's aggressive behaviors were observed after exposure to aggressive models. 5. Time sampling. Definition. Time sampling involves recording behaviors at specific time intervals, providing a snapshot of behaviors over time. Characteristics. Researchers observe behaviors periodically rather than continuously. Example. Observing classroom behaviors every 5 minutes to study attention span and engagement patterns. 6. Event sampling. Definition. Event sampling focuses on recording specific behaviors whenever they occur, irrespective of time intervals. Characteristics. Researchers capture occurrences of target behaviors as they happen. Example. Recording instances of disruptive behaviors in a classroom to analyze triggers and patterns. Conclusion. Observation methods in psychology provide researchers with valuable tools to study human behavior across different settings and contexts. Each type of observation method offers unique advantages and is suited to specific research questions and objectives. By understanding these methods, psychologists can effectively observe, document, and analyze behaviors to advance our understanding of human psychology. Thank you for attending today's lecture on observation methods in psychology. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/iscompanion.